When I retired, I sat down for 6 weeks solid. I thought, duh, what am I going to do with my life? And the opportunity arose about the Community First. They was running different projects. So I started by coming to Community First and having a chat with them. And they enrolled me on the computer course. I was helping myself. Yeah, but it's been pointed in the right direction. Everybody knows Grahame.
He has become our official photographer because he went on computer courses and then did a digital photography course, and he always said he wanted to give back to his community. Grahame doesn't take very well, he always wants to be giving.
Infant school just above us here, they was walking the children out in the fresh air. What was they doing walking around the housing estates? My aim was then to get something done about a footpath. Now, the problem was there was the council involved, the MOD involved, and the National Trust. And I tried for years on my own and got nowhere. So I got the Community First involved. They did all the research and got all these people together. In the end, we succeeded in getting the footpath.
Grahame, I'd like to say congratulations and well done. This award is very well deserved, and you just make my work very easy, and I wish everybody in the community was as easy to work with as you.
Whatever I do, it's for the people anyway. It's not for myself, it's for the people. And that's how I feel about it all. Yeah? What more can I say to that?